Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I hope you're well. And now we go in to discover Coinrule today. A new winter deal is coming up as well, so you can get 25% up to 25% off annual plans. All you have to do is connect multiple exchanges, trade with 14 rules simultaneously, and access 150 plus new template strategies. And you can get all this with a limited offer which ends in 42 days. So we can get it now, but I'm going to skip on it just to show you how the project looks like. The automated trading made easy. Coinrule empowers traders to compete with professional algorithmic traders and hedge funds, so no coding is required whatsoever. And we have a screenshot of Coinrule right here. We also have about, pricing, learn, invest, and log in, and we can get started straight away. That would get us to the registration form on the web page. But let's go a bit further and check out what is happening in here. First of all, featured on TechCrunch, Forbes, Combinator, Business Insider, and Yahoo Finance, works with the top 10 popular exchanges, military grade, security and encryption, and also some reviews right here. But you can create automated trading rules 24/7. So you can set custom automated trades and never miss a rally or get caught in a dip. Coinrule obsessively seeks out effective market indicators to enable smart allocation of funds while putting you in control of your trading machine. That is basically doing all the trading for you, and you can start trading for free right in here. But yeah, we have the test rule performance on historical data. And first we have the strategy, either buying the dip in a bull market, buying the dip multi-level, ride the trend, maximize crossing moving averages, and low volatility buying and selling. Also, we have the initial amount that we can change, and the length of this investment. So let's actually choose one of the trading techniques, the trading strategies. Buying the dip in bull market with an initial amount of, let's say, $1,000 on a 12-month period. So we are getting 1,092 after these 12 months. But we can say put it on 5 months or 8 months, so that all differs, and depending on the strategy, of course, we are getting different amounts of income. So there is quite a lot of different things that we need to bear in mind depending on how long we are planning to invest for. Or here we have, with riding the trend, we can get we could have gotten $3,000 from just 1,000 initial amount. Boost that to 5,000, we get 15,000, 3x, basically quite nice. We can go even further with a slightly better income at the end, with maximized crossing moving averages and low volatility buying and selling. Right here will give you only $26 basically of income. But that is important to see how many different strategies we have, and how many different things may vary just by choosing how long we are planning to invest and whatnot. So of course we can even lose money that way, but you can test your strategy in here today and see how well you would do. Yeah, but also you can choose among 150 roles, or build your own as well, and that's really great. They're giving you quite a free hand if you would like just to do your own trading, if you are actually capable of doing it properly good. But if not, that's completely fine, because you can actually go ahead and choose one of the rules that has been built already, like the stop loss, accumulated daily, top performer, price-based accumulation, and more, trend following, rebalancing, and they are all different. Protect, long, and maximize, as you can see. And we can start for free, and that's quite an important bit. And also securely trade across exchanges, that's an important bit. That is safety, and of course everyone wants to be safe, especially when it comes to their money, and big money especially. So Coinrule is a big and a friendly and safe platform to send automated trading instructions to your favorite exchanges. That is Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and etc. So they do not want any of your private keys or withdrawal rights. They will not even ask for it, and that's an important bit. Getting started is easy. You can sign up to the newsletter, create rules based on popular indicators. That's an important thing as well. Each rule can be set to run as fast as every minute and executes within seconds. So new indicators are added every week and announced on the blog. That's why it's important to go ahead and follow Coinrule blog. And we have triggering actions when market changes based on clear indicators. Also no code required, as simple as IFTTT, and manage volatility. So maximize profits. Basically, you don't want it to be like super crazy up and down. You want to maximize your profits, and Coinrule is here to help you. And you can estimate your costs, how much do you trade monthly, and you can choose here, saying around $30 probably would be still as a free not that much into trading, but then we can even trade more, say all the way up here, that's around 500, I would say, and that's a hobbyist. After that we have the trader all the way to around 3,000, and then we have the pro and the business. For the business, contact the sales team, of course, but with the pro, where you trade around $3 million every month, you can save quite a lot of money. Out of 3 million, you can save $30,000. But if you say invest only, I don't know, 2,000, you can still go ahead and use the free version, and that will make it safe for you. The best plan for you is free, and is free for all. That is really great, because if, as I mentioned, if you're not trading that much in, more than 2,000, around 2,000, and that is fine. But after that, you might need some more help with it. That is why Coinrule is coming at you, and it's not even that much. You pay $30 per month, but they will help you multiply your initial money, which is really fantastic. That $30, if you are investing say 5,000 every month, shouldn't be that much of a problem. That is why it's really great. Of course, when we go a bit higher, the price will increase, but then again, if you are trading $2 million, $500 per month is not really much, is it? Also, meet the founding team. This is the people responsible for it, and we'll have their LinkedIn and their Twitter. That is why you can check them all. It's super transparent, and that's why I like it, really. Also, supported exchanges. They integrate more than 10 of the most popular exchanges, and that includes Binance, Coinbase Pro, OKEx, HIT, BTC, Bitstamp, BitMEX, Poloniex, Kraken, and Bitpanda Pro. Start creating rules today, and you can do that. Sign up to the newsletter as well, and all the social media links with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. That's important you guys go ahead and follow them, because that's where all the most important information is being put. With over 7,000 followers, you can get the daily updates and everything you might need on your Twitter, so that's super convenient as well for the user. And yeah, so up next, we can check out the app itself. So once we click right here with Get Started, that will redirect us. And once we registered successfully, that is what we're going to see. Welcome to Coinrule, and help us personalize your trading experience and answering the following 3 questions. So that's really great. Straight away, they're asking you bit by bit, what are your preferences? So what brings you to Coinrule? Make profit, trade better, run a trade strategy. Let's go ahead and say trade better. We would like to get more knowledge about it. Trading experience, I would guess many of you will be a beginner. That's why it's wise to put beginner. That will also give us the most information and your favorite coins, and that is really fantastic. But let's say things like the standard Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and we can choose 3 of our favorites. But as you guys can see, if you scroll a bit lower, there's things like Doge, Solana, VeChain, Ethereum Classic, Tether, and more, even Monero, Filecoin, Neo, Shiba Inu is quite a nice add-on at the cake, Bitcoin, CV, Cosmos, so all plenty of different chains as well. We have Crypto.com coin, Torchain, and so many more. So really fantastic. They are allowing for a preference of so many coins. But let's go ahead and see, and set Dogecoin as our favorite, one of our favorite ones. I'm sure many of people would recognize it. That's why this choice. But yeah, here are the 3 optimized templates for you. Select one to start with: buy the dip, catch the price swing, and uptrend flash crash. So that's fantastic because straight away they are giving you a strategy. So we can go ahead and check it out, and an explanation will pop up as well saying how much we could earn between December and May if we go for it, with the high points and low points, a long-term trading strategy to buy the dips of a coin and sell with a profit. A stop loss protects every trade as well, so that's absolutely fantastic. If you go ahead and click test, that will give you a basically test mock value of what you can trade. These are your demo coins. As demo, I got $492,000, absolutely generous of them, with 10 Bitcoin and 50,000 in Ethereum. So that's fantastic. We have the test. Simply use the risk-free demo wallet to connect your favorite exchange trade live. Absolutely great. Select a trigger as well. The trigger, the event trigger, if BTC goes up by 3%, the time trigger, say every hour, or direct order, say buy $100 of BTC, and to define when the rules will be executed. Absolutely great. You can automate everything. We also have a then function. So as you guys can see, if something, then something, you can program it how you want it. Define an action. You can select what action a rule should perform, buying or selling, of course. If something happens, then buy, or if something happens, then sell. If a coin reaches the price of this and this, you can sell it then, for example. Absolutely fantastic, and Coinrule will do everything for you. We also have an and, so if Bitcoin drops below a price of this and this, sell it, and also buy another coin, for example. Really great and really straightforward, and you can connect these blocks. So all is really intuitive, as you guys can see. And you can also execute it immediately after some time and etc. and even name this rule. So that's absolutely fantastic. All this is explained in here, and as you have to admit, it does look quite simple. But yeah, the rule hasn't been saved, but we're going to go ahead and click OK and get back to the web, to the dashboard. So we have on our dashboard all our data, like the rules of profit, growth, since, and that's basically the time when we have registered. That's today. And one rule that we have initially added automatically, we have chosen. Also, we have the wallet right in here, link exchanges, create a rule, see the rules themselves, the exchanges, and the settings. So everything is right in here. You can choose which is your favorite exchange. Let's say Binance, one of the most popular, and it does give you a whole explanation of how to actually link it, connect your Binance account, and it does make it really simple. But yeah, well, let's go back to the main page and wrap it up in here. So bear in mind, I personally am not a financial advisor of any sort, so all the investing you are doing is at your own risk. Please be smart and responsible about it, and do let me know what you think about Coinrule. I personally think it does help quite. It might and it is helping quite a lot of people, especially with trading, because trading can be really scary. People go into it, lose a lot of money, and then they just don't want to do it again. It's spread around that, you know, it's an easy way to lose money, etc. But Coinrule is proving quite the opposite, doesn't it? But yeah, if you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Bye.